Honesty is the best policy. Once there was a woodcutter. He went to the jungle to cut wood. He sold the wood in market and fed his children. One day he was cutting the wood on the bank of river. The axe slipped and fell in the river. He was very sad. Suddenly an angel appeared and asked him, "Why are you sad?" The woodcutter said, "I have lost my axe with which I earn my daily bread." The angel dived into the deep water and brought out a golden axe. The woodcutter refused to own it. The angel dived again and brought out another axe made of silver. The woodcutter refused, saying, "My axe was not beautiful." The angel dived for the third time and brought out an axe made of iron. The woodcutter was delighted to see his axe and said, "This is my axe." The angel was so pleased with his honesty that he gave him the other two axes also as reward for his honesty. The moral is, honesty is the best policy. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.